Good morning, everyone, and welcome for today's session. In chapter number 2, secondary market operation, previous session, we were discussing about various types of mutual fund on the basis of income or investment objectives. In this, we have completed total 8 type of fund. Before going further, let's have a quick revision. Income fund, those funds aim earning a regular income. Generally, investors are salaried people and invest the amount collected in those securities which provide regular income. Then comes growth fund. The aim is to earn capital appreciation. Generally, middle income categories or business class people are investors, and investment is done in equity market segment. The aggressive growth fund aim is to earn quick and higher return. Generally, businessmen or those person with aggressive risk appetite, aggressive risk capacities generally invest in aggressive growth fund. The amount invested is in blue chip companies of share market. Then balance fund want to generate regular income as well as capital appreciation. The aim is both, and hence the investment is done in some portion of fund collection is done in equity, and the other part is invested in debt market segment. Generally, the salaried people are the major investors in balance fund. Then specialized fund formulated to cater the specific requirement of a class of people in society. They are called as specialized fund. Specialized fund are quite riskier as compared to the other funds, and a special category of people are the investors in specialized fund. Then comes with money market fund. The aim is to provide the liquidity rather than income or capital appreciation. Generally, bank, commercial, financial institutes, etc. are the investors in money market funds, and the companies having huge money for a short period of time, very short period of time, they generally invest in money market instrument. And then comes taxation fund. The aim is to provide the tax benefit to the investors. Majorly salaried class people are investing. Taxation fund is one type of close-ended fund. The all other funds we have completed till date are all open-ended fund. It means an investor can start investing at any time and can withdraw his amount of investment at any point of time. While in a taxation fund, a fixed date is there, a lock-in period is there, and before completion of lock-in period, investors are not allowed to withdraw their money. Then comes index fund. Investment of index fund is done in the stock market index in the proportion of companies having weightage in index. Now, continuing with the next is bond fund. The name itself suggests that the amount collected in this fund are invested in the corporate sector bonds. The corporate bonds are providing a good return with the safety of investment. So those investors who want to earn little bit higher return than the traditional investment generally invest in bond fund. A bond is a kind of debt issued by companies, and hence the company need to pay a regular interest on bond. In case, even if company is running into loss, the interest should be provided to bond holders, and hence the bond funds are one of the safest fund as compared to the other fund, as it will the amount of money invested in bond fund generally not going to be defaulted. Further, with safety of investment sorry, with safety of investment, bond fund also provide a good amount of investment, and hence the person who is looking for a little bit higher return than the market return and with the safety of money are generally investors in bond fund. A salaried people or a retired person or a person having a very less risk taking capacity generally defensive investor. They are called as defensive investors. An investor with having a very less amount of taking risk are called as defensive investors. So the defensive investors are generally the major investors in bond fund. Then comes property fund. The property fund is a type of fund in which the amount collected from investors are invested in real estate sector of our country. So the amount collected here are invested in those companies who involved in the business of real estate, in the business of construction of buildings, construction of road, rail, etc. In such companies the investment is done. This type of fund are a type of specialized fund providing a special type of investment facility, and hence this fund are the riskier fund, as the total investment done is only in one sector, while in all other funds the investment is done in different sectors, and hence the property funds are the riskier fund, as more riskier as compared to the other funds. Then comes offshore fund. Offshore fund are also called as foreign fund. It means the amount collected through this type of mutual fund are invested in foreign market, in foreign security exchange and foreign companies' securities. Those investors who want to invest in foreign share market, but as a retail investors cannot invest, those investors generally invest in offshore fund. The amount of return is generally high as compared to other funds. However, this type of fund are also more riskier as compared to other fund, as firstly this type of funds are exposed to currency fluctuation risk, and hence the risk amount and various other risk are also exposed to this fund, and hence this type of funds are riskier fund. And then comes the last type of fund is fund of fund. Generally those companies, those mutual fund companies, they have started their new business, or a mutual fund company want to launch a new scheme but do not know the amount collected from investor should be invested where and in what proportion. In such type of case, the company take the other company's mutual fund which are popular and giving a good return, and the amount collected from investors are invested in other companies' mutual fund which are very famous, which are very well known in public and providing a good amount of return. So this type of funds are called as fund of fund, in which a mutual fund company raise money from market, from investors, and invest in other companies' mutual fund. So that is all about various types of mutual fund. Have a nice day. Goodbye.